So, portable miniature railway. Pair of colour light signals. Just recently made up. September 2015. There's a 3 metre long passenger carriage without the bodywork on it, even though I've got the frame at the other end for it. And here's my pedal powered loco. And if we look at it from up here, it's got a 10-speed bike mechanism, which gives me 5 high gears and 5 low gears. Links down through to a forward and reverse gearbox. It's operated by this lever. It's also fitted out with brakes on the front and rear axle, and it also has suspension. That's down in the gears. Now basically, even though this drives just the rear axle only, which can be seen from around here, I've actually got this set up on 14 metres worth of straight track, which is multi-gauge. And by that I mean the 2 outer rails, which is this rail and that rail, are 7 1/4 inch. From that rail to that rail is 5 inch, and to here 3.5 inch. So they're the 3 main scales I can ride on this track. I can put electric garden gauge railway under here. That doesn't really make a great deal of difference. Each panel of track, when you look at the join, is bolted from one panel to the next, in which this will traverse up and down the length of the line. Okay. Give some idea or indication on this. Okay. The park brake locked on. So that's my brake. Just that corner right here. And you can see how it activates the front brakes. And if I swing around here, see this linkage pushes on the back and operates up the back here. Okay. Yeah, I'll do this without losing a great deal. Gonna lose me pin here. Show you what I've just been doing. Up there is my locking pin. That locks into place. It's now set forward. Here we've got neutral. Up here we've got reverse. So the gears are now down in place. In a while I shall be reversing all that. But to give some idea, we're in high gear. And then forward. I'm just coasting along at walking pace. Okay, now if I can go from forward in reverse for you, which I am now. And I've got this sitting up in the upper position. As I pedal forwards, you'll note I'm travelling backwards. I think that's my frame, it doesn't matter, it's not bolted. It's back into neutral gear. And okay, putting the brake on. That's a short video on my portable 7¼ inch miniature railway. Up here I've got another 2-metre panel track, and this buffer stop will bolt onto the end of your track. That just stops me from going off the end of the line. This just protrudes about a handspan, or not even a handspan, the other side of my gate. So the 14 metres goes from just outside my gate all the way down the line. Don't worry about the steel framework. But that comes all the way down to here. This is what is portable. What you will find, what's sitting here at my place, it has been planned for many years to go up through this jungle up the back and disappear up behind the shed. That's basically where the train line will be going. So eventually I'll be able to pedal around my backyard. As can be seen here, this is where it's planned to go. So basically, I'll be able to come around from my backyard, up through the side of the house area, and eventually go out to my mailbox out the front. So when this gate's open, there wouldn't be a drama to head off up around to the right and go to my mailbox by train. Hope you like my little short video on a portable miniature railway.